Today's job, a couple of repairs on the bonnet. They're done. Underside, a couple of repairs here. This corner's done. Dust on there, that corner's done. Hit this one tomorrow. Got to cut all this out. You might see a light through it. And underneath all that, Jesus. Alright, cut all that out too, underneath there. What else did I spot today that I didn't see before? All the rust along here. Might be a job for tomorrow. Just trying to clean all the crap up around the window. Just checking for rust. A couple of little spots. Must be a little bit there I've got to clean up, and a little bit there. That all pulled out nicely. Got a nice gap. This one's all plated. It's just got to be this bit of fiberglass. Just rub that back quickly. You can see how thin it is. It's pretty thin. What else? That's it. Just a little update. Girls are sleeping. Don't forget to jump over to my YouTube channel, Yarny's Garage. Subscribe. Give us a like. Make me happy. Alright. Cheers everyone. Have a good one.